the eternal standard of value. Today, we step inside
The journey begins here, where tons of raw ore are harvested to find just a few ounces of the precious metal that will become Aurum Prime Gold.
At the heart of the Aurum Prime process, a precise chemical reaction occurs. Using oxygen and a cyanide
Through electrowinning, electricity pulls the dissolved gold back into solid form. What was once invisible in the ore is
At over 1,000 degrees Celsius, the gold sponge undergoes its final transformation. To achieve the 99.99% purity of an Aurum Prime bar, we employ the Wohlwill process.
From a liquid state, the gold is cast into a continuous ribbon of pure 24-karat excellence, the foundation of every Aurum Prime bar.
With 500 tons of pressure, the Aurum Prime seal is forged. Each bar is given its identity. Science confirms what the eye suspects. X-ray analysis ensures that every Aurum Prime bar meets the rigorous 4-9 standard of purity.
At Aurum Prime, perfection is not an option, it is the standard. Every millimeter is scrutinized by AI to ensure a flawless finish.
The transformation is complete. Thousands of tons of earth have been distilled into these towers of pure.
Every Aurum Prime bar is born with a digital soul. From the moment it is cast, it's From raw ore to 24-karat perfection, the Aurum Prime process is now complete.
Manufacturing is complete. Every Aurum Prime bar has been forged, purified, and perfected. Now, they face.
Verified, certified, and cleared. Every Aurum Prime bar has passed the world's most stringent quality test. Protection is as vital as purity. Each Aurum Prime bar is now encased in a
From the depths of the earth to the height of global finance, Aurum Prime Gold begins its journey to the world's most secure vaults.
ประกันมองจากรีแสงปากฟูซิมทันฝันเจ็ดหางทีคือสิ่งที่หมุนที่ยำใส่กระทันสิบลูกพี่ใหญ่
Aurum Prime, pure science, pure gold, the ultimate standard of value, perfected for the modern world.